Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get the object ID here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Salesforce, every record has a unique identifier as the object ID or record ID. Now, these IDs are useful when referencing specific records through the API, in formulas or for integrations. Here's how you can find an object ID or record ID in different scenarios. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon that says Setup. In this instance, there's going to be a tab that says Object Manager. Click on it. And if you don't have one yet, you might want to add some object ID here. For example, this is going to be this. All right. And click on Save and New. All right. Now click on Home. Click on the Object Manager. For example, you're looking for the object here. This one, if you click on it, this is going to be, and then here there's going to be on the left side, there's an option that says record types. You see there's going to be no identification, but if we hover again to the object manager, let's say we're looking for account, maybe click on report types. There should be an option for the record, an ID here, because we just have created this account. Probably that's why. But let me check some other examples. Yeah, it seems like that I can't find the object ID, but normally the object ID is recorded here. It will say active and modified by the last user. All right, the record type label should be an ID here. Now, if you can't find the record ID or the object ID here in Salesforce, like what I do right now, click on the help section and then click the search Salesforce help. Let's see if you get an answer. Otherwise, if you don't, you might want to contact the Salesforce customer service for troubleshooting and insight on how to fix the problem if you're having issues finding the object ID in Salesforce. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.